Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss the respiration in other animals. Chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. Subject Science, Class 7, Day 4. The different animals breathe through different parts of the body. Now you know about the respiration in lower organisms. In unicellular organisms, as amoeba and paramecium, exchange of gases takes place by diffusion through the cell membranes. You can see in this figure, have a respiratory system and consisting of a network of thin air tubes called tracheae spread into the whole body of the insect. These air tubes have tiny opening called spiracles on the sides of their body. Oxygen rich air enters the body through spiracles. Respiration in earthworms. The earthworms breathe through their thin and moist skin. Respiration in frogs. Frogs live both on land and in water. When the frogs on the land, they use their lungs like the human beings, and when in water, they breathe through their moist skin. Respiration in fish. Fish has the special organs of breathing called gills found on the both sides of its head. The fish breathes by taking in water through its mouth and sending it over the gills. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels, and the blood vessels of the gills extract dissolved oxygen from the water and send it to all parts of the body. Respiration in plants. Like animals, plants also respire for their survival. They get energy by the breakdown of the food they produce. The plants get energy by the process of respiration, in which glucose breaks down in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. With the release of energy, plants take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide during respiration. You can see in this activity to show carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Activity number 5. The leaves in the plant, they have the tiny pores called stomata that is used for exchanging of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Hence, respiration occurs through them in plants. Roots, like all other living cells of the plants, the roots of the plant have a very large number of tiny hairs on them called root hair. Air is present in between the particles of soil. The root hair are in contact with the air present in the soil particles. Oxygen diffuses into root hair and reaches all the cells of the root, where it is utilized in respiration, and carbon dioxide produced during respiration goes out through the root hair by the process of diffusion. The woody stems, the stem of herbs have stomata for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The hard and woody stem of big plants and trees have lenticles for gaseous exchange. That are the tiny opening on the bark where the cells are loosely packed and have intercellular spaces allowing the exchange of gases. These are the respiration of organisms, and different types of organisms respire differently. That's all.